So just gonna do the install from my CZ457 Canadian edition onto my MDT LSS-RF chassis. So we'll start. It's 240 Torx. Let's get rid of the magazine there. Oh. Comes with some of its own screws there. I'm going to be torquing these to 20 inch-pounds to start. I'll go to the range and do a 5-shot grouping, maybe a 10-shot grouping, and then work my way up maybe at 2.5 inch-pounds until I start seeing a really good grouping, and then I know how many inch-pounds this frame likes. But I'll be torquing it afterwards. That looks pretty cool. Really nice still, and toss on a MDT grip. I'll eventually probably change out the grip as I find this one's a little bit meaty, but I'll show you that. After I get this installed here. Decided to go out and shoot this soon. Hopefully from my previous video of what my gun likes for ammo, hopefully it'll show tighter groupings. There you go. So that's the MDT grip, but I find it's a bit meaty. So I really like the Magpul Moe K2, the rubberized. So very nice. And I've got just a buttstock that I took off one of those very scary Prohib ones that everyone owns now. So I'm gonna toss it on here, make a good use out of it. Tighten everything else off camera, but just there's the before. It's actually quite a nice wood stock here, and there's the after. Night and day difference.